Now next property, reaction with water. Metals react with water to produce metal hydroxide or metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Metals such as sodium, potassium and calcium, which are very reactive, react with cold water. A large amount of heat is evolved in this reaction, which results in explosive burning of hydrogen. Metals such as magnesium, zinc and iron react with steam to produce metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Some metals such as copper, silver, gold do not react with water or steam. Non-metal generally do not react with water. Next property, reaction with acids. Most metals react with dilute acids to form metal salts and hydrogen gas. Metals such as magnesium reacts quite rapidly with dilute hydrochloric acid and forms magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Aluminium reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid and forms aluminum chloride and hydrogen gas. Iron reacts slowly with dilute hydrochloric acid and forms iron chloride and hydrogen gas. Non-metals do not react with acid at all. Next, reaction with bases. Some metals react with bases to form salts and hydrogen gas. When aluminium is heated with sodium hydroxide, sodium aluminate, that is salt, is produced along with hydrogen gas. Some non-metals react with bases like sodium hydroxide, but no hydrogen gas is produced. Reactions of non-metals with bases are complex. Let us understand displacement reaction. A chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its salt solution is called displacement reaction. Let us understand this with the help of an activity. Take copper sulfate solution in a test tube. Place an iron nail in the solution and leave it for some time. What do you observe? You will find that after some time the color of the solution changes into green and there is reddish brown deposition on the nails. This shows that iron is more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper from the copper sulfate solution and forms ferrous sulfate. Now let us see few more examples of displacement reaction. When a strip of zinc metal is placed in blue colored copper sulfate solution for some time, it becomes a colorless zinc sulfate solution and red colored copper metal is deposited on the zinc strip. Similarly, when a strip of zinc metal is placed in green colored iron sulfate solution for some time, the greenish color fades. It becomes a colorless zinc sulfate solution. However, if we place an iron nail in zinc sulfate solution, then no displacement occurs because iron is less reactive than zinc. Most of the non-metals do not show displacement reactions, but some reactive non-metals displace less reactive non-metals from their salt solutions. For example, chlorine is more reactive than bromine, so it displaces bromine from potassium bromide.